In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restrict access to Bitdefender settings with a password. This process is especially useful if you want to ensure that only authorized users can make changes to your security settings, adding an extra layer of security to your device. Let's dive right in. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open your Bitdefender app. This app acts as the control center for all your security settings, and you'll find it among your installed programs or applications. Once you've launched the app, you'll see a range of features and settings at your disposal. Next, look for the Settings option. Typically, you can find this by navigating through the app's interface. It's your gateway to customizing how Bitdefender operates on your device. When you click on Settings, a menu will appear, offering various options that relate to different areas of the app's functionality. Now, within that menu, find the General section. This area houses broad settings that apply to the app as a whole, allowing you to make adjustments that affect Bitdefender across the board. Clicking on General pulls up settings that you can tweak for an optimal security setup catered to your preferences or requirements. Moving forward, your focus should shift to finding password protection within the settings. Password protection is a crucial feature, designed to keep your security setup and personal information shielded behind an extra precautionary measure. Once you locate and click on Password Protection, you'll be prompted to set a password. At this stage, go ahead and choose a strong password. Remember to use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to create a robust password that is easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. This step is pivotal in ensuring that any attempts to alter your Bitdefender settings are duly authenticated by this password. As you finalize your password, consider writing it down in a safe place or using a reliable password manager to keep track of it. Once your password is set, Bitdefender will require it for any future access to the security settings, effectively securing your configurations. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully added password protection to your Bitdefender settings. This setup not only safeguards your device further, but also provides you with peace of mind, knowing that your security configurations are shielded from unauthorized modifications. Make sure to revisit and update your password regularly to maintain optimal security. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more insightful tech tutorials. Have a secure day.